Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn some cool command prompt tips. These tips can help you understand how hackers use CMD to do their work. But remember, this is for educational purposes only. Don't use these skills for illegal activities. First, let's get started with how to open the command prompt, also known as CMD. It's pretty simple. Here's what you do. Click on the start button on your Windows PC. Type CMD in the search bar. Click on command prompt or press enter. To start, let's check your computer's IP address. This is important because in hacking, knowing the IP address of a computer can give you clues about its location. Here's the command to do that. ipconfig. Next, let's learn how to ping a website. Pinging means checking if you can reach a website. It's like asking, are you there? Here's how you do it. Ping.www.google.com. When you press enter, you'll get a response time. If the website is online, it will reply with how long it took to send the message back. Now, let's see how hackers can find the path to a website. This is done with a traceroute command. It helps show the journey your request takes to reach a website. Tracer-www.google.com. When you press enter, it shows a list of steps between your computer and the website. This can be useful for understanding the network. Let's make a simple batch script to play around with. A batch file lets you run multiple commands with just one click. Here's how you can make one open notepad. Type the following commands at echo off. Echo, hello, welcome to CMD hacking tips. Save the file with a .bat extension. Example, welcome bat. Now just double click the .bat file and you'll see the message, hello, welcome to CMD hacking tips. It's a simple example of automating commands. Here's a fun one. You can get information about your computer by using the system info command. This can help you understand the details of the system you're working on. System info, to close CMD, simply type exit and press enter. Or you can just click the X button in the corner. So that's it for today's lesson on CMD hacking tips. Remember, always use these skills for learning and ethical purposes only. If you want more tips like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.